Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money selling digital products online that you didn't have to create yourself. So if you guys are interested in tapping into this billion-dollar industry of selling digital products online, but you don't want to go through the stress and the headache of actually creating your own digital products from scratch, then you're really going to want to pay close attention to this video. So go grab yourself a cup of tea, coffee, water, wine, whatever suits you. Grab yourself a pen and a notepad, and most importantly, take action as you go along, okay? So in order to get started with this strategy, like I always tell you guys, you need to start by picking a niche or a topic or an area of interest that you're passionate about, because without passion you are going to quickly lose the motivation to keep your business going, especially when you're having those bad business days. So you want to start out by picking a niche that you are passionate about, okay? So think about your passions, your interests, your hobbies, your likes, things people come to you for all the time. What questions are people always asking you for? What advice do people come to you for? You want to start there. What do you enjoy doing, even if you weren't making any money from? Is it cooking? Is it fitness? Is it I don't know, coaching? Whatever the case may be, guys, the strategy can work for you, okay? So start by identifying a niche based on your passions, interests, and something that people are actually interested in as well. So once you've identified your niche, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to the platform called ClickBank.com. Now ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform where you can sell anywhere from digital products to physical products to membership programs to software, and they have a ton of different products that you can promote within this platform and make some money, okay? So you want to head over to clickbank.com, and then you want to register for your free account, okay? It's free to join, guys, and your account should get approved almost instantly. So once you're registered with ClickBank, you want to head over to the marketplace. Now, if you go to the marketplace, you want to go to the categories, guys, and you're going to see a ton of different categories that you can sell, and this is why it's so important to have a niche. So if you've decided to go with fitness, weight loss, beauty, skincare, e-commerce, now you can select the relevant category based on your niche, okay? Now what's going to happen is it's going to pull up all the different products that are currently being sold right now under your niche, and then what you can do is you can go to the websites, check out the products, check out the reviews, and see if it's something that resonates with you and something that you most likely want to promote as well. And the beauty about ClickBank is the fact that a lot of the sellers actually provide affiliate marketing tools, so you're going to be able to gain access to things like banners, email swipes, blog posts, social media content that you can actually start using right now to promote these products on your social media, on your blog, on your email list, or whatever marketing platform you're currently using right now to promote your business, okay? So a lot of the sellers are actually providing tools for affiliates to make the process as easy as possible for you to get started and as simple as possible for you to start getting some results. Now, I wouldn't only rely on the marketing platforms that the sellers are providing you, but I will also go on and actually start creating my own unique content around that niche. So if you've gone with the fitness niche, for example, you want to be sharing, things like your fitness journey, you want to be sharing fitness lifestyle, healthy recipes that you're personally trying out yourself, just content that is going to resonate with someone out there who's interested in maybe losing weight and getting fit, and then use that to build yourself as an authority, use that to build your audience, and then when people start to know, like, and trust you, it's going to be very easy for them to go on and actually purchase the products that you are recommending to them. One of the biggest mistakes that I see a lot of people make is they're just trying to go straight to the conversion, right? You're out there promoting products every single day, click the link in my bio to buy the product, and no one is buying because you are not building a brand. They don't know you, they don't like you, and they don't trust you. So it's a business at the end of the day, so you have to treat your business as a business if you want to see results and if you want to be taken seriously, okay? And you can do this with as many different digital products, online courses. You're going to find courses around fitness, supplements around fitness, ebooks around fitness, planners around fitness. So many different digital products, guys, and even physical products that you can now promote within the ClickBank platform. Now what you want to do is you want to get your link, okay? So if you click on promote, guys, you'll produce a unique referral link that now tracks all your earnings back to you. So if somebody were to go on and actually buy via that link, you are going to earn your commission, guys. And the beauty about digital products is the fact that commissions are very, very high. Like, you can earn commissions as high as 75% or even 90% in some cases, okay? So now that you have your links, guys, you want to head over to the platform called Linktree, okay? Now I'll recommend that you start with maybe 5 digital products that you're promoting, and you can go to the platform Linktree, guys, and you can use that platform to create all the different links that you would like to promote with a call to action, taking people to the different websites, of course. Now, I always recommend that you guys get a website if you want to do affiliate marketing the right way. If you want to sell digital products, any business that you're starting online, it's really, really important, guys, to have your website that you own, okay? Don't just be relying on Linktree. You don't appear professional by just sending people directly to a Linktree. However, it's a good way to get started regardless, whilst you're building something at the back end, okay? So now here's the most important part, guys. So it's very easy for, you know, me to tell you guys to go on ClickBank, get a bunch of products, and then promote it on your social media. But if you don't have any idea what you're doing in terms of marketing, it defeats the whole entire purpose of even starting your online business in the first place. I know there's a ton of videos out there that would tell you what to do, but they don't tell you how to market your business, okay? And this is why you are going to need access to the 52-week marketing system, guys, where you gain access to weekly marketing strategies every single week for an entire year, guys. And every single week you're gaining access to not just the marketing strategy, but also a checklist and action steps that you have to implement so you can actually get results in your business and actually make some money in your business as well. So it's not just a bunch of overwhelming courses, guys. This is actually practical steps that you can implement in your business and get results every single week, okay, for 52 weeks. That's an entire year's worth of marketing strategies that can help you get more customers, get more leads, and more sales in your business. So if you guys are interested in getting customers to your business and making more money in your business, then be sure to check out the 52-week system. And if you guys join the Funnel Power program, you also gain access to the system for free, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you feel free to drop your comments below this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.